Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an amp fuse. First, ensure your amplifier is completely powered off and unplugged from its power source. Safety is paramount when working with electronics. Next, locate the fuse holder on your amplifier, which is often a small cap or a slot. You'll need to know the correct fuse type and amperage for your specific amplifier model before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the power is off, find the fuse holder. It's usually a small, cylindrical cap that you can unscrew or a slot that requires a gentle pry. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated fuse puller tool to open it. Be gentle to avoid damaging the holder. Carefully remove the old fuse. It might be clear or have a visible break in its wire. Before inserting the new fuse, double-check that its amperage rating exactly matches the one specified for your amplifier. Using an incorrect fuse can cause serious damage. Carefully place the new fuse into the holder, ensuring it sits snugly. It should slide in without excessive force. Make sure it's fully seated and not loose, as a poor connection can lead to issues. With the new fuse in place, securely close the fuse holder. If it's a screw-type cap, tighten it gently. If it's a push-in type, ensure it clicks into place. Now, reconnect your amplifier to its power source and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm that your amplifier is functioning correctly. You've successfully replaced your amp fuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.